Yeah.
Now, hi, my name is Verna. I'm from Marshall, New Jersey, and I am suffering with pancreas cancer. Pancreas with cancer. I can't say cancer. I guess I'm nervous. But anyway, my journey from that is right now I'm suffering with I'm losing a lot of weight, multiple weight, and I am now a diabetic, and I was diagnosed in January of this year. I had a PET scan, and I was diagnosed with the cancer. So I had to undergo surgery. And during the surgery, it was, how can I say, kind of hard at one time, but I made it through, and I had sort of a fast recovery, but I'm still having multiple problems. Um, I'm I stay sick on the stomach. With sometimes some people will get nauseous from it, and they would have still have pain. Which on my beginning journey, I had no symptoms of it until I had that test taken for another medical problem because I had multiple medical problems besides that. So I'm having a really tough time, but I'm trying to, work through it, take one day at a time, and I'm still trying to understand more about it. And I have learned a lot, like I said, I came through a long journey. And the hardest time I really have is finding transportation to get to my chemo. Like I'm in chemo every week for 6 months, and it's very hard getting there. So I have to ask someone to take me. I had called for several rides, and I had transportation, which they deny taking me because they said if they take me, they can't pick me up. So that doesn't help me like one bit at all because I get there, whoa, how I'm gonna get back home. So, it's like I still I'm still trying to find some transportation. And like I said, it's really hard. But I believe if I can make it through and do it, I believe anybody else can. Because the only thing I can say, really, from my perspective, thing you have to take one day at a time. And like I focus on, I am in my 60s, and Lord knows I want a grandchild so bad. But I have two kids, a boy and girl, which is grown, and I'm still waiting on them to have me a grandbaby. One or the other. If it's a boy, I would like his name to be Tyrone Davis. If it's a girl, I would like her name to be Tamika Marie. But whatever they choose is fine with me, long as I get a grandchild. That's what I'm looking for. That's what keep me going. That's what keep me fighting every day. That's what keep me strong. Give me the will to live and not give up. And that's what I'm hoping each and every one that see this video believe what I say. You have to fight towards it. You have to look for something or want something that's very, very important to you to make this journey go through.
For friends or family members that um, have a loved one with pancreatic cancer, how can they help the patient? Um, is there, because I know that with food that might be tough, but how can we be there for a patient and so then others know? Because sometimes they might not know how to help.
Yeah, exactly. Really, a lot of times they don't know how to help. But if they can, how can I say it? If they can, I wouldn't say they're not concerned. I know they're concerned. But it's like if they would have more patience in the patient that's having pancreas cancer. So, because I know a lot of times it bothers you so bad, you get so angry, you started fussing and saying things you don't want to say to the person you're around, your loved ones, and they get upset, they don't be around you, and they think it's you when it's not you, it's what you're dealing with. So it's very hard. But so far, my family, my children, and the rest of my family, they are very, confident to me and to my needs. And
How do
it's
you keep
really scary.
everything organized with your medication and then your appointments?
Well, actually, I have my son and daughter. My son gave up everything in Texas to come be with me and my daughter to help us out. So they helped me out with my medicine and my appointments, you know, my son puts them on my phone for me because another thing about this pancreatic cancer, you will get what they call chemo brain, and that's forgetting and whatnot. And so it's really hard. If I didn't have my daughter and son, I don't know. I really don't know.
I'm grateful that you have them, though.
Yes, I am too.
Okay, thank you so much for Ms. Jackson for your time and your courage for sharing your story and providing hope for others that are going through pancreatic cancer as well.
Thank you.